Starting a dropshipping store, of course, is always a good idea because, dropshipping is a really good way to make some passive income. And if you are a little bit experienced in building stores, then of course, it really makes sense for you to start building a dropshipping store with WooCommerce and WordPress because, WooCommerce and WordPress have so many advantages over, for example, Shopify. For example, you don't have to pay a monthly fee for WordPress and WooCommerce. When you go with a Shopify store, then you have the monthly fees that you have to pay. And I think this is a really huge disadvantage. But when you want to start a dropshipping store, then normally you have the only chance to dropshipping with AliExpress. So AliExpress is not bad. AliExpress, I really like AliExpress because they have so many products and it's really easy to integrate the AliExpress products into your WooCommerce or WordPress dropshipping store. Nowadays with some kind of plugins, you will find my favorite plugin in the video description down below. But of course AliExpress has maybe a lot of disadvantages because the shipping time, because you order the product directly from China and the product gets sent out directly from China. And I think of course this is not the ideal way to do. And because the shipping time, your customer has to wait a week or two until the packages arrive. And also there is the high risk when your customer wants to send the item back, then where should they send their items? They cannot send them back to China because it would cost $100 to send the package to China. So that's a really big disadvantage. And in today's video, or in this video, I want to show you a really cool way, or a really cool new plugin or platform for WooCommerce dropshipping. And this is what I want to show you today in this video. So hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Tim, and let's get into the video where I show you a really cool platform that offers you a lot of products. It's easy to integrate into your WooCommerce or WordPress dropshipping store. So let's get started. Here we are now on the Salvia homepage. And Salvia is a really cool service in the United States. So they have a warehouse in different states. They have warehouses with a lot of articles piled up. And this is like AliExpress, but only in the United States. So they have an own catalog. I will show you later, and they have their own plugin that you can integrate into WordPress, WooCommerce, and then you can import their products from their store or from their catalog into your WordPress site or into your WooCommerce store. Really easy, really simple, one click, and then the products will get sent to your store, and then you are ready to sell them. And so let me show you real quick. So this is the Salvia homepage. I will put the link to the Salvia homepage in the video description down below, so you can check it out if you want. They are specialized in dropshipping, so they order all the items, the best items from China. They are ordering them in bulk to their US warehouses, and they store the items, and then they are in the United States. So, and when you pick an article, put it into your store, and somebody or a customer buys this from you, then they will send out the article to your customer. And the process is really simple. So, and the customer only has to wait 1 or 2 days until the package arrived. And this is really, really great. And also the another big benefit is that the customer, if they don't like the article or want to ship it back, then they can easily send it back to the warehouse, to the United States warehouse. You can send the money back to the customer, you can refund the customer, and also you will get refunded the money when the article arrived in the warehouse. So this is a huge benefit. Like I said, it's really easy to integrate Salvia. When you go, or when you decide to test out Salvia, then you can download and install a plugin, and then you have access to the full catalog of their or the full Salvia catalog. You can try this for free, so they offer you 40 days free trial, and then you have to pay, I think it's $20 per month to use the plugin and to use their product catalog. Here is another side, so let me show you real quick their video. Here you can see, they have a warehouse in the United States, Irvine, and this is where they held on to all the products, and it's like Amazon, or like normal process when you order dropshipping products, or when you fulfill a dropshipping order. Then the only difference is that the United States warehouse will send out the product to your customer. So this is, I think, really good. And then let me show you the catalog. So they have a really huge catalog. So here you can see I'm right now in the catalog, all products. You can see the number of products here. It's you literally find anything, and of course all the best sellers from China, and then they will import it directly in bulk. So this is really cool. And here, let me show you the categories. So there are a ton of different categories: fashion, auto, health and beauty, everything. Let me show you fashion, for example. And the biggest problem is with fashion when somebody orders, for example, this jacket from you, then they don't like it, and then they have no chance to send it back to the AliExpress merchant. And here it is really easy. When they don't like the article or they want a refund, then they can send it back to the warehouse, to the United States warehouse. Your customer get the refund, you get the refund, everyone is happy. Let me go to the product. Here you can see the product price that you have to pay when you sell the product and order the product, want to fulfill the order. And here you can see the retail price, and then your profit margin. I think this is really good. I don't know why the images are broken, of course, strange. But if you have the plugin installed, so you can test it out for 14 days. Then you have a small button here. Then you simply click the button, and then you can import this article. So this is really easy. And so try to, if you want to build a brand new dropshipping store, or if you want to move to United States fulfillment center, then you can try it out, because it's so easy, and it's free. You can test it out. Link is in the description, like I said. And so I think that's it for the video. So I think the best thing is when you explore the website for yourself, read everything in detail. Here you can here learn more, and there you can see all the articles. You find more information on the website. But try it out, and if you like it, then stay here. If you don't like it, then go back to AliExpress. So I think that's it for the video. I hope you found the video a little bit informative. If you liked the video, if you learned something new, then please press the thumbs up button, and also would appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm a small creator, and every subscription is a big thank you. So then thank you in advance. And so then thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching.